what's up?
Hello, what's up guys? Good evening. So it's me again, cryptocurrency trader, and welcome sa another episode ng ating stream. So for Monday, hindi tayo napag-stream and supposedly stream din tayo dapat ng Wednesday. So So there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes sa background. So to be specific with our bootcamp graduates, so sobrang busy namin, and there's a lot of stuff now we are currently learning, and hopefully yung mga bootcamp graduates natin are also happy about it, and especially dun sa existing community natin. So ayun, yeah, kasi naging focus natin this past few days yung mga bootcamp graduates, so that's why hindi tayo napag-stream. But here we go again, and we are now live dito sa ating page. So that's why supposedly hindi tayo mag-stream ngayon, but ang schedule kasi ng stream natin will be on Wednesday na, and hindi na tayo mapag-stream like Monday, Wednesday, because we are now going to focus on providing valuable contents para mas gumanda yung learning experience nyo while subscribing dito sa ating Facebook page. And this page will be solely focused lang sa technicals. There's no news. More on learning how to trade, more on learning how to execute your trade and analysis, and yung mga probabilities that can help you, no? Keep on it can help you to keep on trading without losing your funds. Kasi usually pag nagtitrade ka sa financial market like crypto, the tendency kasi dyan is maubos yung funds mo, no? So while you are on that journey, nasa beginner's journey ka pa, don't worry, nandito si Coach CT para samahan ka until ma-reach mo yung profitable stage mo or profitable status mo as a trader. Ayun. Because our primary mission is to help traders to we want to save traders from blowing up their account, dahil we all know that futures market trading is very notorious, no? And a lot of traders are being liquidated lagi-lagi dahil of misjudgment and bad practices. So with this, yun ang mission natin, to provide education sa mga traders na laging nasusunog. Of course, before we start, syempre check muna natin yung stream natin, and we want to give a big shoutout din sa lahat ng mga bootcamp graduates natin. And so very familiar grabe, ang dami ditong mga familiar faces, and thank you for joining us dito sa stream, dahil I believe ang tagal nating nawala. So ayun, 2024 will be yun ang goal natin, no, for this 2024 is matapos na yung problem nyo sa blowing up your account, no? So lagi nasusunog na account, and gusto natin na mapunta na kayo sa profitable stage. So after ng profitable stage, next nun is your goal is how to be consistently profitable. And of course, do not forget to like our another page. So kasi doon tayo magpo-post ng mga news regarding crypto, and doon din tayo magbibigay ng mga insights on what's happening in the crypto space. But yeah, this page again, guys, for those who are watching, this is for the technical aspect and how to trade cryptocurrencies. So ayan. So nandito ngayon so far sa stream natin, joining us, nandyan si John Lester, shout out to you. Si Tatik Dionisio, what's up? Si John Henry Bautista, what's up? Good evening. And si Joe Visor Ruby, good evening to you. And si Erader Sibaya, good evening. So kita-kits tayo lahat mga bootcamp graduates sa ating live session. So meron tayong sa mga paid live session, we have a 8 PM. So mamaya magkakaroon tayo ng market screening. And for those na hindi pa nakakatawid sa another Discord channel natin, next week, no? Next week tayo magkakaroon ng live sessions. So shoutout din to GK Boy. So before we start, of course, I just want to ask you guys, no, press 1 kung bullish pa rin tayo. I want to see that on our comment section. And dito din si Alwin. Sabi ni Alwin Adusay Tavera, Coach, do you do arbitrage trading? Before. Before kasi ang laki ng ng opportunity sa arbitrage trading, no. Pero nowadays, sobrang liit na ng gap. Kaya we focus on futures trading na. And let's have another question. So madami tayong nakikitang bullish dito coming from Kiana Oracion. Bullish pa rin daw si Tatik Junior, si Champy, so si Joe Visor, si EJ Flores, and si Alvin. So most of you guys are bullish, pero may question to you, napansin nyo ba na most of the setups nagfe-fail sila ngayon? Ayan. So again, we're not going to talk about the fundamentals and your market drivers, bakit humihina yung market, and we are going to have a deep dive sa ating technicals so that we can understand kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga buyers and sellers while they are trading sa bullish or in this kind of market condition, tapos so that we can assess kung saan ba yung mga possible entries and exits natin. So now let's move on sa ating market cap analysis. So for tonight, our market cap is currently at 1.68 trillion. So hindi ganun ka-significant yung nabawas na money sa market, and that means bullish pa rin yung perspective natin. However, since most of the setups is nagfi-fail and potentially na mapunta kasi tayo sa range. So, if this is people, isa to sa coin na titignan natin, pero mamaya na yan. Okay? Dun muna tayo sa BTC USDT. Let's have a quick BTC USDT analysis. So, sa monthly time frame kasi natin, ito yung itsura niya, and the monthly time frame is currently open. So, if we're going to plot our support and resistance level, nandito yung resistance level natin na titignan. Okay? So, dahil we have our swing low and swing high, so usually kasi yung mga reaction pagdating sa price structure, for example, this one, meron tayong lower high. So, press 1, kung same ba sila ng price structure? Parehas ba sila? Is this price structure the same with this one? Press 1. I want to see that on our comment section. So ayan. So if your answer is yes, then meron tayong makikitang dalawang high dito. So some of you might answer, so parang ano yun, coach, double top. Okay. So yeah, nandun na tayo sa double top perspective. Pero here's one thing na gusto nating pagtuunan ng pansin dito, or we want to pay attention. So yung gusto nating pagtuunan ng pansin dito, or the thing that we want to pay attention, is itong high na to. So the reason kung bakit most of the traders are liquidated, because dito sa level to, I believe marami nag-short dito sa level na to eh. Ayan. Pero ang liquidity kasi dito natin siya makikita sa taas. So the reason why a lot of our traders is shorting in spite of this market na bullish siya, because they have this perspective na mare-reject yan dyan kasi dati yung support na naging resistance, which is true, no? Totoo yun. However, dito kasi nagre-react yung price. So how do we know if merong reaction sa price? Mapapansin natin with these candlesticks, meron tayong candlestick dito. We have this one and this one. So kung titignan nyo yung body nila compared doon sa week, there is no long wicks. So, pag sinabi natin long wicks, yan kasi dyan mo ma-determine kung meron ba siyang sign of weakness. And if meron siyang sign of weakness, it also means, yung mga buyers, they cannot sustain yung strength na ginagawa nila. So, what do I mean by that? So, for example, this one. So the reason kung bakit tayo nagkaroon ng mahabang wick dito, because if we're going to check that on smaller time frame, makikita natin na dumaan na doon yung price. And however, gaya ng mention natin kanina, however, the buyers cannot sustain. Kasi kung na-sustain nila ito and we are still bullish, dapat dito pa lang, na-hold na natin yan. Okay? So, I have this huge trade with BTC. So, nasubaybayan natin to. Umakyat siya dito and then, ang ginawa natin na smaller time frame, okay, doon na tayo nag-manage ng trade. Because, isa sa naisip ko na kailangan ko i-move yung trail stop ko is because of the time frame on the monthly time frame, which is this one. Okay? Which is this one. Kasi, ito, hindi pa natin ito, hindi pa nag-hold yung price dito. So, nung hindi pa nag-hold yung price dito, sabi ko, there's a possibility na ma-reject to anytime. Okay. So, yun yung sabi ko, anytime, pwede ma-reject to. So, that's why, nung nagkakaroon ng swing high itong market, nung nakita natin itong doji na to, ayan, no? Nakita natin itong doji na to, this is the time na hindi muna ako nag-set ng mga additional entry orders dito. Because I believe kung the buyers are really strong and they are going to hold this position, dapat nagko-consolidate siya dito sa area na to. Why? Kasi inuubos nila yung supply na meron sa higher time frame. Or in other words, inuubos nila yung liquidity. So, ano ba ang mangyayari dito, coach? Pag sinabi mo liquidity. Ano mga mangyayari pag naubos nila yung liquidity? Ang mangyayari kasi dyan, pag naubos nila yung liquidity, since the market is just supply and demand, ang tendency is the price will hold that position and magko-close siya ng huge green candlestick. However, hindi kasi ganun yung nangyari. Ang nangyari is naging weak na lang siya. And possible, if we're going to check the candlesticks, no? Yung mga candlestick patterns, so, meron kasi tayong mga tinatawag na candlestick candlestick reversal patterns. Mapapansin nyo na this also foreshadows yung mga ganitong reversal patterns, no? Whereas, meron tayong 1, 2, and 3 candlesticks and then eventually magkakaroon ng doji. It also means na merong indecision. Another factor na kailangan natin tignan na possible na maging reversal tayo next month, no, is that if hindi ito na-sustain ng monthly candlestick, possible is we will see BTC to create another high. Diba, nagre-range siya ngayon. So, if we're going to plot our range, plot tayo ng range. Ito yung range natin ngayon. So, ito yung bullish side. Then, ang mangyayari is magkakaroon siya ng swing low dito and then another swing high. Pero itong swing high na to could be a potential spring na lang. Meaning, magkakaroon siya ng swing high pero hindi na siya bullish. And pag nangyari yun, ang tendency is this will be our next low. Which is, if we're going to compare this low to this low, this high to that high, magiging lower high na lang siya. And ito yung possible na mag-trigger sa atin to create another distribution stage. And ito na yung masasabi nating reversal na ang market. So yun ang scenario na nakikita natin. And that's why, if you are leaning towards do sa mga fundamentals and stuff ng crypto, feel free to do so, pero you have to consider ano ba yung ginagawa ng tao or yung behavior ng market. Kasi even though you are focusing too much, kasi if you're focusing too much do sa market drivers, diba? You also have to assess kung ano ba yung ginagawa ng market. Kasi even though there are market drivers, pero hindi yun yung ginagawa mismo ng market. So what's the point? Diba? And of course, if you are a retail trader, ang goal mo dito is to make money. As a retailer, hindi ka naman hedge fund. Diba? So that's why you have to think appropriately kung ano ba yung, though alam mo yung ginagawa nila, pero you also have to see in your own eyes, ano ba yung ginagawa ng market. Kasi baka mamaya you are focusing too much on too much data, no? Too much data, and then hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo dun sa data na yun na, wait lang, maglo-long ba ako or mag-short? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng news na yun? Long ba yun or short? Diba? So that's why you need to have a plan. Hindi ka lang basta makikinig sa aming mga nagla-live dito and so kailangan alamin mo rin. You have to look and to see with your own two eyes kung ano ba yung ginagawa ng market. And kung ano yung ginagawa niya, that's the reality. And kung may mga hindi ka ma-oversee or hindi mo ma-overlook yung mga possible scenarios and you have an exposed position, the best thing to do is of course lower your exposure. Kasi worst comes to worst, at the end of the day, all need to do is to survive. Bakit survive? Kasi we are how many days to go before tayo magano? How many days to go before having? Okay? So, bakit survival, coach? Kasi meron tayong hinihintay. Ang hinihintay natin ay yung tinatawag nating having. Okay? So having kasi, just like I mentioned earlier, if we're going to simplify it, disregard all the market noise, the news, and whatsoever, this market is just a supply and demand game. It is just a supply and demand game. So with Bitcoin halving, once na hit natin ito, rest assured yan. There's mataas ang possibility or probability na umakyat yung Bitcoin. So we only have 90 days. Aba, ilang tulog lang to. 'Di ba? 90 days, isipin nyo guys. 90 days. Ang Christmas or ang isang taon, you have 365 days. 'Di ba? Sa isang taon, you have 365 days. So ito 90 days, estimated halving date will be April 18, 2024. Kaya if you are still learning technical analysis and trading, market timing, then this is the perfect time for you. Kasi the reason you want to learn sorry, napindot. So the reason you want to learn market analysis is because may mga time, sa dami ng information na nakikita mo sa internet, you just want to have a simple information na susundan mo. Ano bang decision ko? Bullish ba or bearish? Di ba? Kasi pagka-open mo ng social media mo, biglang lalabas yung page ni coach, yung page ng iba pang coach, and syempre ang daming sinasabi. Nangyayari, nag-overload yung isip mo. Di ba? Nag-overload yung isip mo na ang nangyayari is analysis paralysis. So if we're going to simplify that, if we're going to remove all the noise, meron ka lang sinusundan na isang system, then it will be easy for you to execute. And another thing, kung bull market, the problem is kung masyado kang maraming iniisip, ang tendency nito, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng doubt sa strategy mo. Why? Kasi nakikita mo umakit yung market, 'di ba? Umakit yung market. Nakita mo na bullish, pero nakakita ka ngayon ng bad news. 'Di ba? If we're going to backtest yung buong data that we have currently on our chart. Dito sa chart natin, ang dami ng news na meron dito. So, especially with this one. Latest update. Sayang, hindi lumalabas. Okay, but anyways, so what we're trying to say is, on a bull market, ang daming lumalabas sa bad news. Nandyan na yung Binance, na bad news, pero hindi naman bumagsak yung buong market, diba? And if we're going to check Binance, BNB USDT, nag-bounce pa siya. So, if we're going to use the news, i-align natin siya sa market direction, Kasi very important yung sentiment eh. Kung pipili ka ng bias, kailangan malaman mo kung ano ba yung market sentiment. If you are keep on shorting yung mga umakit na market, di ba? Umakyat na coins, ano nangyari? Bumalik lang sila, di ba? Press 1 ko nangyari sa'yo. Okay. Okay. Press 2 naman kung nakita mo na bullish and then you go long. So, congratulations if that's the case. Okay. So, sa mga nag-long tapos sa mga nag-short tapos biglang bumalik yung market paakyat, meron pa kayong chance, Meron pa tayong chance, That's why coach is here to guide you kung ano ba yung tamang dapat nating gawin, because I always want to share with you guys kung ano ba yung naging experience ko for the past, I think that's 5 to 6 or 7. Wow, ang tagal na pala, no? Wow. Oh, grabe, ang tagal na pala. Grabe, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. For the past 8 years. Wow. 8 years ko na pala ginagawa to. Okay. So, ayun guys, no? So, that's a total of 8 years focused lang sa cryptocurrency trading. Hindi tayo tumalon ng ibang market. So, yeah. We've been here in this market. We've been through different market cycles. Kaya, it's very important, no? Na makita mo yun dahil mas madaling malaman if ano ba talagang sinasabi ng market. Kasi sometimes we rely on information na meron sa internet, and then we try to curve fit yung mga nakikita natin na patterns, pero in reality, for example, yung nangyari last time with BTC, di ba? Most of the traders are still in disbelief na nag-breakout tayo dito. Most of the traders are still in disbelief. Why? Kasi most of those traders na nagtatry mag-long dito sa area na to, they always get liquidated or get stopped out. But in reality, kaya mahirap mag-trade nito is because choppy. And hindi pa siya nagpi-pick up. Pero the moment na nag-breakout siya, this is the time na bull market na. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa resistance na to. The next thing that we want to see for BTC and we want to expect for BTC is to mag-range lang siya. Kasi kung hindi magre-range ito and nagkakaroon ng mga break of structures dito, ang worry natin dito is this can cause distribution. Ang distribution, wala siya dito sa baba. Okay? Ang distribution, makikita mo yan sa taas. And ang itsura ng distribution is you want to see a range sa taas near the resistance. And that's why, before we end this stream, I want you guys to review. Ano yung i-review natin? I-review ninyo yung bearish top patterns. Ano yung mga bearish top patterns na yun? Nandyan yung head and shoulders, nandyan yung double bottom, double top, double tops. Okay? So, as an assignment, hanapin nyo or i-research niyo kung paano sila i-trade. Because, just in case, no, na ma-break itong level na to, ang nakikita kong fractals dito is that there's a possibility on a higher time frame, we are going to move like this one. Ito yung sinusundan nating fractal right now. Okay. So hopefully we're wrong. Kasi pag nangyari ito yung magiging scenario. But masyado pang malayo, so far ito pa lang siya. Yan, so far ito pa lang siya. Kasi kung ang mangyayari niyan, no? Kung ang mangyayari niyan is nag-hold tayo dito, then I think mataas yung chance nito na once after having, that will be our next bull market. And that's the time that we can say possible na natin i-break ito. Dahil ang dami kasing pera ditong naipit Ang daming liquidity na nag-aabang lang na makalabas. No? Makalabas, ayaw na maipit. Yung mga dating traders na naging investors, daming ganyan dyan. So that's why we need more time. Kasi if hindi pa ganun kahaba yung time, then these traders will just unload their positions. Pero ayun nga, if we're going to match that to sa event ng next halving, then mataas yung chance kasi mababawasan yung supply ni BTC. And that's all for tonight. I hope marami kayong natutunan. And it's me again, Cryptocurrency Trader. If you mag-trade kayo, make sure to plan your trade and trade your plan. And as always, trade responsibly. So again, ang recap natin guys for tonight is we are still bullish and the market is still ranging. So wala pa tayong masyadong clear signs ng bearish, but If the market keeps on trading on this range, we are still safe. Pero pag nagkaroon na tayo ng break of structures, then that's the time we are going to call it a reversal. So with that, maraming salamat and have a good night. See you everyone on our next stream. See you. Salamat.
What's up?